Give me a knife. Alright, cut it.
Alright, let's get it, Chad. Wait, stream this.
I'm not streaming it. I'm gonna record this.
Oh. Woo.
I'll cut over here. Hold on.
Alright, Chad.
But we're not recording this, yo.
You're not recording? Oh, I thought you were.
Hold on.
Wait.
I'm gonna flip it upside down. Yo, I'm not gonna break the box here, bro. Don't break it, guys.
Alright, you opened it, we could.
What? Hold on. Wait, there's some more tape over here. Hold on, man.
You gotta cut it.
No. Hold on. Are these rubber bands?
Yeah, no, they're ropes.
Hold on. I'll try. Let me open this first. Eli.
What?
I don't know what that. Oh, what's this for? Oh, what?
Alright, bro, let's go play outside.